Hello children, in continuation with chapter number 5 of social studies, weather and climate, today we shall continue. I will take checkpoint. Let us see true and false given in this lesson. First one is changing weather conditions cause seasons. This is true. Places near the poles are hotter than places near the equator. This is false because places near the poles are very cold, not hot. The temperature of a place decreases as the altitude increases. This is true. Winds blowing from cold regions make a place hotter. This is false. So children, now I will teach you heat zones. Now see, we can divide the earth into 3 heat zones. See figure 5.2 on the basis of the difference in their temperature. There are 3 heat zones on earth. Let us see. The first one is torrid zone. The torrid zone or the tropical zone is the other name of torrid zone, lies on both sides of the equator between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. The climate is hot and humid throughout the year because the direct rays of the sun fall over it. First one is torrid zone and the second one is temperate zone. First one is torrid zone and second one is temperate zone. What is temperate zone? The areas lying between the torrid zone and the frigid zone in both the hemispheres are called temperate zones. It is neither very hot nor very cold here, as these zones are away from the equator and also from the poles. So, in temperate zones, it is neither very hot nor very cold. Why? Because these zones are away from the equator and also from the poles. They are away from the equator also and from the poles also. Then here neither it is very hot nor very cold. Now what is frigid zones? The areas lying between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole in the northern hemisphere and that between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole in the southern hemisphere are the frigid zones. So, the places which are near the poles, in the North Pole and in the South Pole, are in the frigid zones. These are the areas which are in the frigid zones. This zone receives slanting rays of the sun. It remains very cold throughout the year. So, children, there are 3 heat zones. First one is torrid zone, second one is temperate zone, and third one is frigid zone. And this is the diagram you can see. This is North Pole, this is South Pole, and North temperate zone, South temperate zone. In between there is torrid zone which is very hot, and near the poles it is very cold. And yellow part you can see, it is in the middle of the pole and equator. It is neither very hot nor very cold. So children, thank you and have a nice day.